Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. And we have here 3 regular puzzles. One of those I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. News of today. Well, I've just read that in there's a sabotage with undersea cables, data cables, between Germany and Finland. So maybe the Russians have done this, the sabotage. That's the news of today. Well, also today is also the it's day number 1000. 1000 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed. Yes, that's also the news. All right, this one will be number 9616, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. The 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s. We have here 4 4s. All right. How about the 5s? 2 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 3 7s. 2 8s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? No. What's happening? No. Well, here I need a 4. I need a 4 there. Need a 1 here. How about I need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 6 missing numbers in this middle column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see another 4 in this row, last row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. Only place left for 4 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. I need a 4 here. Need a 3. Need a 6 here. In this big square we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 8 8. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 3 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the first column. So no 2 and a 3. Sorry, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 2 then. 2, 2, 2, okay. Need a 3. In this big square we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3, could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes in there. Let me see. 4, 4. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there, here or there. You see another 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes in there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. Okay, cannot fill this yet. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Well. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, there are only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Let me count the 1s, and all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1. How about the 8s? Nope, the 8s. Well, 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Hey. Do we have all the 8s? Let me count. 1, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, number 8. Okay. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. It means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row. Only place level 7 should be there. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes in there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 should be here. Here should be the 7. Okay. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Okay. 2 and the 9. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier, the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column. Only place level 7 should be there. 2, 5, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left here. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Well. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between only place level 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 and a 5, the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about? Need a 7, need a 1, need a 5. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, no. About these 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. Look, we have 4 and a 5 in this row. No 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left. Should be the 9. 4, 6, 9. Well, we have a 4 here. So the 6 and the 9 are... No. Yeah. These 2 missing numbers are the 2 and the 6 then. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 6. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 9 should be there. So 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Well, 40 minutes. 14 minutes. Let me give this 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.